Online store on Squarespace is a tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we create our own online store using Squarespace. It's not that hard, so let's get started. Firstly, we need to visit squarespace.com, and here we are. This is our start page. Let's click on get started in the right top corner or in the left side. So we'll come to our template page where we can find a lot of different templates here. As you can see in the left side, we can choose the type style, we can choose the online store right up here. And after that, in the bottom of the screen, we can find a lot of templates we can use to create our store. So this one looks pretty good. Even we can describe it into different topics like all templates, art and design, photography, and so on. So I'm going to use these templates as our clothing brand. I think this is the most suitable. So we can just simply click on preview, and if it's like good as for you, we can choose the different like devices like phone, desktop, and so on. So as for me, this one is pretty good. So I'm just going to click on start with this design to come to our like managing page. But firstly, we need to create our account. We can simply use Gmail, and I'm going to use my Gmail account. As for me, this is the most suitable variant. So here we are on our managing page basically. Yeah, let's wait for a little. Here we need to set the site title. I like to name it as the name of our channel. Let it be like this. So I'll just click on continue. Here just click on next, and get started. So this is our managing page. Basically they can like tell us for a little, but I'm going to close it. So in the left side there is like menu with our possibilities we can change, like pages, design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, asset library, analytics, profile settings, and help. So as for the online store, the most important part is of course like commerce and analytics, but we can also change the design of the whole website. As for me, it's pretty cool. So we can go to site styles right up here, and here we are. We can change font, so we can change the font pack by clicking on speech right up here to change the whole pack of fonts. Sometimes it could be really helpful. It helps to customize the whole website like for all, not change every single like text here. So we can choose the pack which is like suitable as for our brand and so on. So I think I'm going to use this one here. I'm going to click on back, site styles, and we can even change the colors, change the palette we are going to use. So we can simply go to edit, and as you can see, we can customize all the website, all the style of the website. As for me, this one is pretty cool somewhere here. Yeah, right out there. So let's click on here, and this is where how can we customize the whole website to make it not like the template. We can also change the animation, spacing, button, image blocks, and so on, but in this case I'm going to use only this part. So now we are on our editing page. As you can see, we have like different sections here, like header, the main part right up here. If we'll scroll down, we'll find the in other sections, for example like these with the name maybe or something like this, and the footer right up here. So we can customize every single part. About header I'll talk a little bit later, but on the main page we have the option to add different sections. So if you click on right up here, we can find the opportunity to add some templates with contact, about, and so on. So if you're interested in adding some information, we can add it. So I'm just going to use this one. So here we are, the new section was added. I'm going to use it to like move it down to switch with like our products right up here. So this is a way of how can we deal with sections. Basically we can customize every single block inside. So for example, if we need to change the text, we can just simply click on it right up here, click on edit, and then just write something we want. So let it be like helper man, let it be like this. We can change the color, we can make it bold, italic, and so on. So this is how can we deal. We can also add the link. So if someone will click on it, this link will lead maybe to our YouTube channel, also on. We can also add different blocks, so we can add tags, button, images, video, audio, a lot of options we can use. So simply I'm just going to click on button. So for example, right up here we can change it like this and change the text inside. So let it be like YouTube channel. Let it be like this. Let it be like YouTube. No, doesn't matter. So this is a way of how can we deal with blocks. So we can click on every single part here. For example, on this image, we can simply click on change, click on replace, and I'm going to use the stock image. I'm going to find something which is about clothes, and I'm going to use this photo here, add image. So in a few seconds it will be uploaded, and after that it will be like replaced. So we can do it like this in every single part here. We can edit the products in the same way. So we can click on manage items, click on confirm, and after that will come to our shop page here. So where we can change the add the different categories here. As you can see, bottoms, add some on sales. We can click on plus, and after that we can just customize everything we'd like to, you know, sell. So for example, here we can click on add product, add the part, and after that it will be successfully added here. So we can even import it from Etsy if we need. So we can just click on Etsy, log in to import all Etsy products to your Squarespace site. After the products are imported, you can edit the product name, price, quantity, description, and more. So this is a way of how can we, for example, connect our Squarespace with Etsy. I think it's pretty cool, and this is like all is in commerce folder from the manage page. With help of pages, we can manage our header here. So as you can see, like shop, lookbook, about, and contact is right up here, like lookbook, about, contact, and so on. So we can change the order or something like this. We can also add some subfolders and so on. So this is a way of how can we add the navigation here. And of course they have like the analytics, so we can just simply go to analytics, find the total sales, revenue, unit cost sold, and so on. Change the traffic if we need, change the geography, and like a lot of stuff here. They also have like their paid plans, and for e-commerce, for the online store, they have like basic and advanced plan, $27 versus $49 per month. And as you can see, they like have a lot of features here, but the main differences is in these parameters here. Like the advanced has the abandoned cart recovery, sales subscriptions, advanced shopping, advanced discounts, and commerce APIs. So you can decide on your own which plan is suitable for you. So this is a way of how can we create online store on Squarespace. Hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.